Hello, Craig here from Eagle Eye. Today, sign word of the day is brought to you by the letter U, as in Ultraboard. I thought I would tell you about why I love Ultraboard so much better than Foamcore, and I thought I'd give you some properties and tell you a little bit about it. So, let's dig in. Ultraboard. What is Ultraboard? Well, Ultraboard is very much like a foam core. This is a black on black on black, and they make a white on black. They make a white, white, black, and then they make a white, white, white. We use a lot of the white, white, white for printing. Now, what makes Ultraboard so neat versus foam core or Gator Foam? Well, let me explain why. First thing, and I'm gonna kind of turn so you can see this. The first thing I love about Ultraboard is I can press this really hard and it doesn't leave a dent. See, foam core and Gator Foam are very light in their density in the center, so therefore when you barely touch it with your fingers, it leaves an impression. They call it pillowing, and it's because that foam is not dense enough in the center. I love Ultraboard because, well, it's durable. It's a little more rigid than foam core. It doesn't wiggle everywhere. And one of the other things too, it's got a hard plastic on the outside. Very thin, but it's hard. See, I can hit this and see I'm not making dents in that. That's what I like about it. Now, we print on a lot of the white Ultraboard. I love it. It trims well, it cuts well, it does some neat things. It's rigid. You know, a typical piece of foam board right now would be flopping over on you. This is very rigid. We carry it in 3/16 and 1/2 inch on our website. We always carry the white, 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 so if you need double-side printing, it's ready to go. I love this material. It makes the best for easels, things of that nature, especially if you're going to have us trim it. We'll put some corner edges on it and ship it. It's going to hold up a hell of a lot better than foam core in the shipping, the way UPS and FedEx are throwing packages around. Well, there you go. Sign word of the day brought to you by the letter U. It's a simple product, but man, Ultraboard is the better product. It does cost a little bit more, but I'm going to tell you, as a person that prints for you guys, I'd rather print on this than me having to reprint products because UPS or FedEx damaged it, or you barely touched it and it left a pillow or a dent in it. This stuff holds up well. I really, really like this stuff. Well, there you go. Sign word of the day brought to you by the letter U. I think I said that already, but that's okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like and subscribe button. As always, we thank you for your support. Follow us online, eagleeyesigns.net.